Hello everyone, welcome to today's new episode. Today we will discuss Echo Show 8 first generation. First 100 people will get 20% discount if they buy from our YouTube channel. Let's get started. Echo Show 8 first generation 2019 release. Alexa can show you more with an 8 HD screen and stereo sound. Alexa can help manage your day at a glance. Connect with video calling and messaging. Call friends and family who have the Alexa app or an Echo device with a screen. Make announcements to other devices in your home. Be entertained. Ask Alexa to show you movie trailers, TV shows, movies, or the news. Or listen to radio stations, podcasts, and audiobooks. Control your smart home voice control compatible devices or manage them on the easy-to-use display. Ask Alexa to show you security cameras, control lights, and adjust thermostats. Create morning routines to start your day. Made to fit your life. Get daily recipes and cook along hands-free with step-by-step instructions. Easily update to-do lists and calendars. Glance at weather and traffic on your way out. Put your memories on display. Use Amazon Photos and Alexa for a picture-perfect pairing. You can turn your home screen into a digital frame, share your favorites with friends and family, and even take photos. Plus, Prime members get unlimited photo storage. Designed to protect your privacy, Amazon is not in the business of selling your personal information to others. Built with multiple layers of privacy controls including a mic camera off button and a built-in camera shutter.